house like that. Doing the most. She is doing the most. OMG, what does she have on? She Ratchet. Holly's front is all on. Cause she Ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this type of picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. What do you want? Punch out in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got. My Mr. Girl, I baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes. Where's that? I had to get you today. Everybody drink real boost today. Chance for a girl get you today. Yesterday. Girl, what you can do today? Gonna beat it up. Move, get out my way. Boosters, I got a brand new pistol, a brand new tech. Paid $95 on this weed plus tax. Bow, anything go about step my phone. And over here, this can't go along. Thinking that you better than I am. Well, then you think along. My number, boy, bye. Hey, girl. Turn around. Ooh. Okay, alright. We talk to you later, girl. OMG, what does she have on? She Ratchet. Holly's front is all around. Here she Ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this type of picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. What you wanna punch out in her face? I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Cardi. Had this boo boo sorry. Press on. Press on. We don't like them red bones. And follow me on Twitter. Team Chris Burn. If she don't shut it up, then it's team shut it down. I'm a team bad. Team. Then it's team taking pain. Minute go. Cause that girl is Ratchet. Look at her track. Where is Rama her? OMG, what does she have on? She Ratchet? Holly's spot is all gone. Cause she Ratchet. Good phone. I'm gonna take this type of picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. What you wanna punch out in her face? I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. She Ratchet. She thinking she look good with that messed up trash.